We're now joined by Dhirendra Kumar, our resident mutual fund expert who joins us from Delhi. And we've been investing in our portfolios that we designed in July last year. So if you are around 25 years old, you haven't started your investment plan yet, now is the right time. Pick up a pen and paper, jot down the names of these funds. Now they've given us together a return of 12% in the last 10 months. That's an absolute return of 12%. And this is what we suggest you should be investing in if you're 25 years old and you're planning for your future. This time our guy is 25 years old and aims to make as much money as he can. He has a high risk appetite and promises to invest regularly. Dhirendra recommends a 25-year-old invest 20% in Reliance Regular Savings Equity, 20% in IDFC Premier Equity Plan, 20% in Sundaram BNP Paribas Smile Regular, 15% in L&T Opportunities, 15% in UTI Opportunities and 10% in DSP BlackRock Short Term, which also happens to be the only debt fund in this entire portfolio. We invested 10,000 rupees in this portfolio every month starting the 1st of June, and it's so far given us a return of 11,909 rupees. So Dhirendra, equity funds have given us phenomenal returns. You must be very happy with the way this portfolio is performing.
Yes, it is proving to be an outstanding portfolio. Despite being the most aggressive portfolio which we run, it is still, not at any given point, despite any intermittent declining phase in the market, it has been able to, guard the downside reasonably well.
So obviously, we don't want to make any changes with this portfolio. We just want to let it grow for a little more time, Dhirendra?
No, not at all. In fact, this is an outstanding portfolio. I would say that with at least one fund, we have proved to be, it has turned out to be extremely, they were nice funds. But I didn't expect such a superlative return from them, particularly the IDFC Premier Equity. And Sundaram Smile, I was expecting, going by the logic when this portfolio was set up, that Smile should have delivered much more. But IDFC Premier Equity has proved to be, far more rewarding than expected.
All right, that was our aggressive portfolio. Now remember, it's given us a return of 35% if you count the fact that it's 10,000 rupees over the last 10 months. An absolute return of 12%, which means we have made 12,000 rupees since July. And if you want to know how we did it, and you weren't able to jot down those names the first time, here's another look at the funds that Dhirendra Kumar suggests you should be invested in if you are a 25-year-old. Dhirendra recommends a 25-year-old invest 20% in Reliance Regular Savings Equity, 20% in IDFC Premier Equity Plan, 20% in Sundaram BNP Paribas Smile Regular, 15% in L&T Opportunities, 15% in UTI Opportunities and 10% in DSP BlackRock Short Term.